So hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Sash YouTube channel, and today we're gonna make cheesy cutlets. So let's get started. So you have to take 2 tablespoons of refined oil for this. Take half teaspoon of jeera. If you don't like, you can skip it. Take half teaspoon of garlic paste, which is lasan paste. Fry it nicely. Add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped carrot. I took half chopped carrot because that was enough, and 1 chopped tomato. Salt as per taste. Half teaspoon of red chili powder. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it. Add 1 cup of water. Boil it so the veggies can cook well. You can see now veggies are cooked well. Add 2 mashed potatoes. Cook it for 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, it's sufficient. Like this. Turn off the heat. Cut the edges of bread. Blend the bread edges. Make the bread flat. Take 2 tablespoons of gram flour, which is besan. Add water so it can be in a liquid consistency. Make a ball. Flat it with a thumb. Take a cheese cube, which is of peroxes. I chop them in 6 pieces. I cut them in 6 pieces and then I cover it. It was dry, so I wet it with the gram flour liquid. Then like this I cover it. Then I dip it again. I cover it with the crumb. Make all balls like this. Fry them in a refined oil again. In a deep refined oil. It's up to you, but you have to make them fry very nicely. Try it on the low flame and then on the medium, so it will make it will make nice and delicious. You can see now they are looking delicious. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.